welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy that you're here. So if you don't know, I had to make some much needed shopping trips for my new home. I moved recently and I really didn't need an excuse to do any shopping, but anyway, I just wanted to let you guys know that I'll probably be doing some more videos with shopping hauls coming up because I do need to find items for my new home. So I'm really excited about going out and doing some shopping. So I do have some items that I picked up from Cost Plus World Market, At Home Store, TJ Maxx, Walmart, and I actually did some online shopping also from Amazon and Overstock. So I'm really stoked right now. So I'm just gonna start getting into it with the shower curtain rings that I picked up from Walmart. Now some people want to call them shower hooks or whatever have you, but what I'm going to be doing is actually my guest bathroom first. So I saw these, they really caught my eye, they're really cute, and I wanted to get something that would not offset from the shower curtain. As you can see, it's pretty bright. So yeah, so I picked these up. I was looking for some in another decor store that I was going to get, but when I saw these, something about the bling bling caught my eye. So anyway, these were only $8.99, but I don't know if you can see what they look like, if the camera's picking it up, but look, actually let me just take them out the pack so you can get an idea. They're so pretty, but they're actually crisp and clean. They're not like really overdone, but I just like them, and they'll really go well or pair well with the shower curtain that I picked up also, and I just absolutely love them. Only $8.99. The other decor store had some that was a lot more expensive, but a lot of people, this is the next thing, is a shower curtain liner. A lot of people don't really use these. I got this from TJ Maxx. I saw them in other stores for like $17.99 because these are the mold-free, chlorine-free, BPA-free, just really clean, good, eco-friendly shower curtain liners. But I do like to use them because I like to reserve my shower curtain. For some reason, once I wash my shower curtain, it turns into a hot mess. So I picked this up for $4.99 from TJ Maxx. And that's going to be under this shower curtain, which I ordered from Amazon, and I'll leave the link to this in the description bar below. But I really love it. You can see the crisp white of it, and then the silver foil. I don't know if it's really picking up well on camera, but it is so pretty. But it's a nice, clean, fresh look, and that's what I was going for in my guest bathroom because there's no windows there, and so it actually reads sort of dark, so that's why I like that. These are just some towels I got from Walmart. I wanted some white crisp towels from there. Probably not going to really talk about those because who cares, so let me just put that to the side. And the next thing I'm going to talk about is this really pretty gold and marble pedestal stand. This golden marble pedestal stand can be used for so many different things. A cake stand, decor stand, it's just gorgeous. And I got this from World Market, Cost Plus World Market, and it's actually $29.99. It's so heavy. Now there are some with a lot of veins in them, but I tried to pick up one that didn't have as many dark veins because I wanted that lighter crisp look, because my kitchen is like an aspen white, but I do love it, and I wish you guys would know how heavy this really is. It's so weighted, it's so well made, and it's awesome. I did get 10% off. It was $29.99 because there was like a little nick on it, and I'm like, okay, I really want this one because I like the veining. There's like a little tiny nick that you really can't see, but I did ask the guy, and he gave me off 10%, but it just has that one dark vein down the middle, and that's fine with me. But it's so well made. I love the gold, the way it looks, and actually this comes as a set. The other one was, I think, $39.99. I'll leave this in the description bar below also. And like I said, it's so weighted. Now the other one is the larger one, so this would sit under it in the set. But if you can see the back of it and how well it's made, it's awesome. I love this piece, and I'm thinking about going back to World Market and picking up another one of those because I like it so much, and it would make a perfect set. So I picked up this next item. Actually, let me talk about this pillow. This is a Mina Victory Shag pillow. It's the color Silver by Norris and Overstock. And I actually thought that this was going to be more gray because my sectional in my living area is gray. But it's by Mina Victory by Norris-san on Overstock. I'm going to leave this actually, the link to this in the description bar also. But as you can see, it is not gray. It is actually, when they said it's silver, it is silver. But it's so pretty, and it really reflects the light, which is awesome. But I like the texture of it. Ooh, it feels so good. And a lot of these Shag pillows, actually, I had one before, and it really looked a hot mess when I actually got it, when I ordered it online. But this one is pretty filled out. It's not really a lot of empty spaces, and it's huge. The back of it is made with a nice like texture, like a velvety texture to it. It's really well made. You can unzip it if you need to. But the texture of it, the way it reflects with the iridescence, is so pretty. And they're large. I have a large sectional, and usually my pillows get lost in my sectional, like they're really small. But these pillows are 20 by 20, and a lot of times they say that they're really 18 by 18, but they're huge. And I have two of those silver ones, and I have a gold one. I didn't even take this out the package because once you take them out and you fluff them up, they're huge. They're so big, but you can see this is supposed to be beige, and it actually says beige online, but it's literally gold. So just letting you know that the silver ones are really silver and not gray, and this gold is, I'm sorry, the beige rather, is actually gold. So just bear that in mind when you're ordering these. But they're absolutely gorgeous and very well made. Underneath the shag is a woven texture, so they're absolutely gorgeous, and I like those a lot. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to talk about is this silver vase that I picked up at the at-home store. And this is going to be in my guest bathroom also. I needed a vase in there, and I really didn't want to shop my own home for some old, like maybe out of style pieces. I saw this, I really liked it a lot, and it was only $19.99, but it has such a unique shape. It's sort of modern. I like the texture of it. It's just, it has the same iridescence as the shower curtain, so I really like that. So I'm gonna probably put some white peonies or something in there later on. And the next thing I picked up is this silver leaf tray. They did have several sizes of this tray, and this was $14.99. I was going to get a bigger one, but in my guest bathroom, and I just want to show you how the silver leafing looks. It's gorgeous. By the way, they coated it with some kind, so it'll be perfect, in other words, for the bathroom. I don't have to worry about, you know, all the steam and everything. But yeah, I saw some larger ones, but I went and put that back and got this one because I don't have two sinks in my guest bathroom. I only have one, and I needed something that would just reflect the color also, because like I said, there's no windows in that bathroom. So I wanted to keep it light and bright, but not overdone. And I just needed something really to put my apothecaries on this tray, which I wanted to pick up also. But yeah, I really like that tray. It looks small, but it'll work. It'll work. The next thing I want to go over are these shiny shag rugs that I picked up. These I got from At Home Store also, and they're really, really nice. I got several of these. These were only $9.99. Now on camera it reads like it might be like a bronzy gold, but it's actually a gray, and the back is like a taupe. And it's like a really pretty woven material. But yeah, this is only $9.99, so that's a really great price. I think it's about 2 by 3 feet, or maybe a little bit bigger, but basically around 2 by 3 feet. But I just needed little rugs for my bathroom, but I really love the texture of it and the shag. It's giving off some type of iridescence, but I'm probably gonna vacuum them to get rid of that. But anyway, I picked up several of these. I also picked up besides, oh by the way, these are gonna be in my master bathroom, and they're perfect because you can see how it's woven on the back, by the way. But the back of it looks taupe, but the actual front of it looks silver. But I noticed that the larger ones had more of a taupe color, so I'm going to be using these in my master bathroom. and they match perfect because my master bathroom colors are basically sort of like a taupe and like an agreeable gray that's in a lot of new homes now. And I like the colors actually, so I'm like, why change it out? So I'm just gonna go ahead and get Decor to go with them. So yeah, I picked up these Apothecary. These are some clear Apothecary jars that I got that I needed for the guest bathroom. And I really like the clean, crisp look that they have. I'm probably going to use these for maybe some bath salts, maybe some Q-tips or cotton balls or whatever have you. But they'll be perfect for in there. I didn't want anything too, you know, too pretentious, but just clean. And the thing I like about these, they're only $9.99 each from At Home Store. But they're very heavy. A lot of times when you get an Apothecary, they're a little thin and you can barely look at them and they break. But these are going to be on this tray, and I know you're probably saying it looks a little stingy, but like I said, I only have one sink in the guest bathroom, and it'll work because I more or less know how I want to style it, with maybe a little candle, a little greenery, and it'll be perfect for what I need it for. So I really like those a lot. And like I said, I wanted them to just be just clean and crisp. But they're, like I said, they're really well made. Now these Apothecaries are bronze Moroccan look to them. As you can see, it's matching that shag rug, that shiny shag rug from At Home. And yes, I picked these up from At Home Store too. I got two of them. They're different. One's a little bit larger than the other one. I was trying to find one that might have been like maybe a third one for a little bit larger, but I wasn't able to find them. But the largest one was $19.99. The smaller one was $14.99 at Home Store. But you can see the amber color to them and that copper on the actual Apothecary, or maybe just jar. It matches the shiny shag rug. But I really like the texture of them. I like that pattern that they have, and the top is actually wood, and they're, like I said, they're well made. They're not really thin, they're nice and thick, but I love the iridescence and that copper rich look to them. And it just really lends itself well to my master bathroom, which is where these will be with those rugs that I mentioned earlier. I also have a Mosaic Moroccan vase that I picked up to go with it. And it just matches so well. It wasn't even a set. I just, you know how you shop through the store and something catches your eye. But these colors reflect so well. This was $24.99. And it's a mosaic with like an iridescence to it. And it's so pretty, and it matches perfect with these jars that I'm going to be using for my Apothecaries and also the rug. And I actually found a shower curtain that will match the same pattern that's in the vase. But I really like that color, that copper color, that really looks really pretty. I'm going to try to go back and see if I can find a third one that would be a little bit larger to put in my master bathroom to match everything and just make it all go together. And I also found a shower curtain, like I said, that matches also perfect. But I really love this. And if you can see the way they grouted it, it has a dark grout, which makes that those mosaics in there and all the colors reflect so well. It's so pretty. They had these in a larger vase also, and I'm thinking about maybe taking this one back and getting the larger one, because I think I'm thinking about something like a little bit bigger. But I really had a good time with this Decor haul, and I really like the colors. I'm gonna go ahead and maybe do a tour of the guest bathroom, and then when I do get the master bathroom, maybe I'll do a tour of that also. But I really had a good time. Please look for some more Decor hauls and some more videos of tours of different rooms in my new home. And I do appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and always please comment on the bottom so I know that you guys are and I'm making content that you guys like. I like you guys. I love you guys. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you next time.